Hey there, everybody. Here we are with the top-notch renovation update number 318. I have all the ballards in for the bicycle path promenade, and then I started to put the railing in, and it is certainly not easy, but I have probably 2/3 of the railing in. There's my sign. Follow me on TikTok. And had to do a lot of drilling, a lot of maneuvering, but it looks pretty good. I think I got to add a little bit of glue right here in this spot. There's a little rise here, right here. But as you can see, I don't know if you could see it in the video, the little give there. But maybe a little glue and a vice grip there to hold that down for a little bit. But that is the railing on update number 318, and I hope you're enjoying all of these. I really do. And then, of course, once I'm done, the entire thing has to be painted. So, thank you. Let me know what you think.